Hi, this is my 2025 beauty wrap. For today's video, I will be sharing my most used blushes and contours. Ano pala yung most used blush ko? That is from Vice Cosmetics. This is their On The Daily Multi Matte Liquid Blush. I have the shade Forever Sweet. Kung forever lang ang usapan, abay ilalaban ko na to. Grabe, the longevity of this blush, sobrang mind-blowing. Pakita ko muna yung shade sa inyo. This is Forever Sweet. Ang sukatan ko kasi for longevity ng isang product is when I applied the product sa morning pa lang. And then, pag uwi ko sa bahay from office, tanggalin ko yung makeup ko mga bandang 10 p.m. At nandun pa rin siya, panalo yun. At isa na to dun. I honestly barely go with this kind of shade ng blushes. Especially kung makikita ko lang siya online, sa mga photos, sa store. Hindi talaga ito yung lagi kong kinukuha. But, thank you kay ate sa Watsons na nag-recommend sa akin nito. Sabi niya kasi bagay daw sa akin. Totoo naman. Bumagay talaga sa akin yung shade na to. Now, let's move on to contours and bronzers. Mix din ito ng cream and powder. Nag-iisang yellow sa aking collection. This is from Popic Beauty, their Face Forward Multi-Complexion Pot in the shade Shadow BC1. Looking at the pan or looking at the product mismo, at first, I thought hindi talaga babagay sa akin yung shade na to. Kasi it looks chocolatey, grayish color. And usually, hindi talaga ganito yung contour bronzer na ginagamit ko. But as the time goes by, na-appreciate ko na yung color niya. Actually, because of this product or this shade specifically, I found my perfect contour shade. This product is so creamy, sobrang pigmented din niya, and blendable. Little goes a long way for this product. Kung first time mong gagamitin tong multi-complexion pot nila, better na i-pick up mo muna yung product from the pan using a brush or your finger, and then pat it dito sa back of your hand before mo ilagay sa face mo para matanggal yung excess at hindi ka mabigla. Next product is this Easy Cosmetics Powder Bronzer Insert. I actually have two shades of this. Isa is nakaganito lang para mabilis mong bitbitin. This is in the shade Torch. Let me swatch it for you. And then the other shade naman is nandito sa aking customizable palette from Easy. This is in the shade Fire. At first, medyo intimidating siya kasi sa swatch, parang super pigmented nila. But, once you pick this up with a fluffy brush, it blends beautifully sa skin and sobrang seamless niya tingnan. Hindi lang siya yung gamit ko for today, but nakikita nyo naman yan sa mga ibang videos ko. Halos walang kahirap-hirap. Bakit mas recommendable ko ang fluffy brush? Para mas diffuse tignan yung product sa skin. Last product na tayo. This is from Euceline, their highlighter and contour palette. Like, meron na tayong two shades of contour, isang darker and isang lighter shade. Two sets of highlighter, isang matte at isang may shimmer. Hindi ko na i-swatch itong product na to because I have a separate video for this one. This is my most used contour palette for my nose. Kasi hindi siya pigmented. Parang halos wala ka lang nilalagay. Pero may nakikita kang different. And which, ganun kasi yung mga gusto ko for my nose contour. Ayoko kasi nung sobrang contoured yung nose. Tignan. I want it to look more natural. That is all. Yun na lahat yung mga most used blush and contours / bronzer ko. Di pa tayo tapos? Yes, hindi pa. Because on my next video, i-feature naman natin ang mga most used products ko naman for eyes. Yun lang. See you on my next video. Bye!